Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make flourless keto zucchini brownies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of Wowbutter, 1/4 cup of some kind of sugar-free maple syrup, a 1/2 cup of sugar-free brown sugar. I use the Lanco monk fruit sweetener, I just like it. 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That's just 2 half teaspoons there because my other teaspoon is dirty. And then 1 medium zucchini grated. I left my skins on, that's totally up to you. And I just kind of did it over a colander and pressed it down a bit with paper towels. I didn't go too crazy, so mine is still pretty wet, so I'm not sure about that. And then 1/2 cup of some kind of sugar-free chocolate chips. I'm just using the Kroger brand of sugar-free chocolate chips. So let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and then line an 8x8 baking dish with parchment paper. Alright, now in a large bowl we're going to whisk together our Wowbutter, maple syrup, brown sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract. I went ahead and popped my Wowbutter in the microwave for about 20 seconds because I do keep mine in the refrigerator. I think it'll be easier to work with if it's a lot smoother. Alright, now I added my cocoa powder and baking powder and I'm just going to mix that to combine. Alright, that is pretty combined to me. I just used a little spatula. So next we're going to fold in our zucchini and our sugar-free chocolate chips. Alright, that is nice and combined to me. So we're going to transfer it to our prepared pan and bake for 25 to 27 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Alright, my brownies are ready to go into the oven. Like I said, 25 to 27 minutes. And I can still see a lot of zucchini, so I'm hoping that all cooks down. Alright, my brownies are out of the oven, and I did have to let mine cook an additional 15 minutes because they were still way too jiggly when I went to remove them. But now we are going to let them cool completely before we cut them into slices. Alright, my brownies were all cooled off, so I just removed my parchment paper and cut them into 12 pieces. They are super duper gooey, which I love gooey brownies, but if you don't, you might want to bake yours even longer than suggested. Or you can even stick them like in the freezer for about 10 minutes before you taste one. But I think they look amazing, and I did have a little taste, and they taste amazing. So we shall see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, I decided that these would taste much better if they were frozen, and I was right. They are so good out of the freezer. So we are going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Each one of these brownies is about 6 net carbs because I did use Wowbutter that has a little more carbs than like almond butter. But really you can cut these in half. They're pretty nice sized brownies. If you cut them in half, they're just 3 net carbs each, and they just satisfy your sweet tooth. So like I said, we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Here's Taste Tester with our zucchinis that we pulled out of the garden yesterday. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay.
It's frozen.
Yeah, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.